City Fishing. Gonna come at you with another episode today. We're gonna do my top 5 tips on how to catch more fish from the surf, particularly pompano, whiting, redfish, and you never know, man. The beach is crazy. You could catch some kind of mystery fish. But we're gonna start the video over here at Hammock Bay Bait and Tackle. We're gonna go inside because tip number 1 has to do with your rigs. So we're gonna go in there. I'm gonna show you the right stuff to buy when you're surf fishing from the beach. All right, dudes, so we're inside. We're gonna start with tip number 1, and that's rigs. This is a very common problem that I see with beginners. You're using way too much stuff or really big stuff. So I'll show you the good stuff. Things that you need to tie your own rigs. I'm gonna show you how to tie your own rigs, that way you save some money. You'll need barrel swivels. Barrel swivel with a coast lock on it, 4-ounce weights. These are made by Chip Brundage, the sinker guy. I'll put a link in the description of this video. And why these weights are good is when you throw it out there, it's gonna stick in the sand like that, it's stuck. And then if you pull it real hard, see how it bent the prongs back? That way you can reel it in really easy. This is a mistake I see all